All right, so the box actually pan out, guys. So you see, all you have to do, guys, for the sell is put your TP1 right in the inside of the box. You understand? And put your SL above previous structure, above the red box. You understand? And all you have to do was just trust the trade. So what I've seen, I've been looking at some of the morning. I've been looking at some of the results in the results section, and some of you guys are not staying in the trades. Um, you're not staying in the trades a little bit longer, guys. Especially those that have the strategy. You're not supposed to be jumping out of the trades with any little bit of money, guys. You understand? You stay in the trade until when it tells you to take profit. You understand? Because it always tell you to take profit. If it doesn't tell you to take profit, it will keep running up or keep running down. Right? So if you have the strategy, you should not be coming out of the market with any little bit of money. You understand? So that's something that everybody should be working on this week. Stay in the trades a little bit longer and take your profit when it says to take profit. You understand? All right, good. So it came down here, right, found support, and you can see the buyers them coming back up. So we're going to see if this is going to actually break through these structures this week, because gold has just been playing here for the whole week. Look at this. You understand? Bear in mind, guys, if you have the strategy, you can make money up, you can make money down. You can make money up, you can make money down. You understand? And I'm on the 15-minute right now. So if you did catch the buy from, say, down here, all you had to do was you could have taken your profit right here. It says to take your profit right here. It pulled back 50% right here, so right, push back up again, found resistance, come back down for the sell, come back up 50%, push back down again, then you see the buyers them come back in the market. You understand? So all you have to do was just make sure the colors them line up first before you get into the. Normally I don't trade like these, but with gold, or because gold and the indices them are fast moving, you can still make money out of these. You understand? Oh, you're in the buy now. Nice. Yes, I did get into the buy this morning. So yes, just a quick update, guys. Where's my discard on here? Jesus Christ, is something update. All right, I'll have to look back for the Discord. So the goal alert is out on in the forex section, guys. I didn't want it in the indices to mix it with the indices, but it's all right. But yeah, the goal is inside of the forex alerts. So this morning we did get a buy out on gold on the 5-minute chart. You understand? We got a goal buy on the 5-minute chart. So I came on here, quick, look where my buy is, look if everything line up first before I actually got into the trade. You understand? And you can see it's already telling you to take profit already. You understand? Because it reached to a structure. So this break and close, I'm gonna keep it. So if it does end up pushing higher, and it decide to keep rejecting off of this area right here, you could take it back for a next sell. Wait for a break and close on the downside. You understand? Because the dollar is still moving a little bit iffy. But as you can see, we had a lovely push up from there. You understand? It's telling you to take your profit twice. So all you have to do is just take your profit from there and wait until you get the next setup. So for us now, if you did enter from down here, wait until you get a break and close here before you get in. You understand? We're gonna be on here anyway. So I'm not gonna delete that chart right there. See it as if we buy gold again for the 15 minutes. They are coming in rapid, man. They are coming in rapid. All right. So we're gonna wait on a break and close right here, guys. Let me go back to the lower time frame. Because the 15 minutes, yeah, I'm not gonna wait that long. But look at that buy. Even if you did catch it on the 1 minute, guys, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful buy. You could have entered gold right here. You could have entered right here. You could have entered right here. You understand? And the next buy pop out in the 15 minutes. All right, guys, get ready for gold. Get ready for gold. All right, we're entering gold for a buy, guys. Enter gold for a buy. Hold on a minute in there. Hold on. All right, everybody in, everybody in. Let me enter. We in already, but me enter again. All right. Oh, Jesus. All right. All right. Well, shut up too. At what time? 40, just 45 past. All right. Okay, hold on a second. Yeah, oil it shoot up as well. Oil been just playing. So if we get a break and close, see, it's so much take profit to tell if you take this up. Even if you scalp on the 1 minute, guys. You understand? You could have made money this morning or early this morning and come out of the market. You understand? Look on these lovely buys right here. All right. See, gold gone both pieces. All right, guys, we're getting into oil for a buy. Get into oil for a buy. Jesus Christ, my screen blue like Jesus. Ooh. All right, everybody in oil. Everybody in oil. Everybody in oil. But it in oil already, you know. But me I enter again. All right. So that's 2 trades down. All right, guys. So let me give you guys the stop loss. So leave your TPs open, guys. Leave your TPs open, and then if you have the strategy, wait until it's when it says take profit, then you take your profit on the higher time frame. All right. Don't just enter the trade just now, guys. I just want to go 10 pound, I grab it and run out. No. You understand? Especially if you're still in the phases of the funded accounts. Be on the 15 or on the 30 minutes, and when it tells us if you take the profit, you take the profit. Obviously not this one because it's been buying up for a while. You understand? But wait until you get a break and close and it continue pushing up. When you get a next take profit now, then you can take your profit when you see enough money. You understand? Yeah, don't be too quick to jump out of the trades, guys. All right, so the stop loss for oil, hold on a second. So let me see where this is. Me say Apple update the something as I mean today say this something them just big pan this. Jesus. Alright, hold on a second. From where the entry is. Alright, I'm gonna use 100 pip stop loss. So you're risking $100 or $10 or however you guys go about it. All right, so 880.47 for the stop loss, guys, for oil. If you're just coming on, we're in gold and oil, guys. Gold and oil. All right, I'm only calling out 3 trades and then we run gone. All right, so 80.47 for the stop loss on oil, guys. Leave your TP open, and then your stop loss for gold. So gold a shoot up, gone to Jesus there. If you're entering at your own risk, guys. All right, because some of you just come on late. All right, and then the stop loss for gold is going to be 1732.40. 1732.40 for the buy. All right. 1732.40 for the for gold. All right. Let me see what else is setting up. All right. Boom. We just get a buy on US 30. We just get a buy. Let me see. All right. All right, buys them back in on full control. This is what I needed. I needed it to break through this previous box, which it did. All right, so I already knew that it was gonna be buying up. So yeah, I just needed to break and close above that area. All right. Morning. Sorry, I'm just seeing the chat. All right, let me see something. All right, guys. So we're getting into US 30 for a buy. US 30 for a buy. So you can see over here we have the day line right here. right? This is your day line, right? So because we have a red resistance box right here, you wouldn't get into any trade yet. You understand? Unless until you have a break and close above, which we did right here. You understand? So you wouldn't get into this trade, right? Even if you did come on the day, find the volume. You understand? You wouldn't get into this trade. Not yet. So this is the day line right here. Let's put this into black and then move it up to the top. Center. I don't know why it's doing that. Middle. Let's put it. It'll show a different something on this one. All right. Boom. So that's your daylight. Everybody in US 30. Everybody in US 30. All right. So the stop loss for US 30 now. All right. Let me see. Let me see. Let me just wait until this load. The people always take so I'm going to depend on something here. All right. Everybody in? All right. So the stop loss for US 30 now. So there's no structures above, and I can't see the last structures was all the way down here. So for US 30, I'm only looking for about, we're only risking, I'll leave it here. I will say 150 pips. So right where this line is. All right, guys. So your stop loss is going to be 33962.3. All right. Let me change this to red. So remember I said to you guys, if you don't see any green box below, right, use the measuring tool right here. Drag the price. You're going to click on it right here. You're going to drag it from the current price down to, normally I would use between 300 to 500 pips. You understand? But because it's so far away, you don't want to put it all the way, because 300 pips, they're all the way down here. So, you understand? 300 pips is all the way down here. So, yeah, that would have been too far. So right here is okay, about 150 pips. So you're risking 150 pips to make any how much it push up to. You understand? So everybody have that so far? Everybody, did I delete the TPs from yesterday? Let me see something. Hold on a second. So these were the TPs from yesterday, guys. This was TP1. It smashed through TP1 and TP2. This was TP3. You understand? And the stop loss was right down here. So you see, the closer it is to the box, is the more you could have put your stop loss underneath this box right here. You understand? Because remember when I called it off for the buy yesterday, it was just playing on this purple line right here. You understand? Until it shoot up. I forgot to change the color of this. Until it just shoot up one time. So it did kind of pull back right here, find support above TP1, and then we should see the continuation on the upside. All right. So all you have to do is just secure your profits. What you can do, guys, is everybody using the web trader? If you work at home, guys, right? If you work at home, or if you're always at home, make sure you use the web trader, because it's more comfortable to use than using your phone. It's easier, not comfortable as well, but it's easier for you to move your stop loss up in profit. For me, I do have the MetaTrader on my laptop. So if you have Windows, you can download the actual MT4 on your actual laptop. You understand? For those people with Apple, it's not available on the Apple software again, and Apple what do you call it, search engine. So if you have Windows, you can download it. All right. But if not, and you want to use the web trader one, let me see if it's in here. So web trader, I'll drop it in the chat. I think it's inside of the chat, you know. It's inside of the Discord. I'll re-drop it in there. Let me see. Oh, here it is. So I'll drop it in the chat for you guys. But make can't see the chat as well. Jesus Christ. All right, I'll drop it inside of Discord. So all you have to do, guys, is just log in with your login info, right? And let's say, for example, what am I in now? BTC. All right, let's say you were in a trade, guys. Let me go to gold and see something. Was I in no gold trade? Yeah, I was in gold trade, but that was from the other day. Let me see oil. All right, let me just use oil as an example. So let's say you have to make sure you use the proper risk management, guys, because it might look like it's a lot on here, and when you look at a flag on multi-business. So let's say you were in oil, right? And let's say you're in oil now, and oil start pushing up. You understand? If you go to the 30 minutes, you will see it more clearer. You understand? So basically, if you wanted to set your own stop loss without using the stop loss on TradingView, all you had to do was just drag this line underneath the previous structure like so. You understand? Everybody see that so far? You just drag it underneath previous structure and set your stop loss there. And then wait until this 30-minute candle, the 15-minute candle, the 5-minute candle push up before you move this line in profit. Everybody with me so far? There's a whole training on this inside of the YouTube section, guys. Do make sure you go back and watch it. All right. So I would not do it on the 1 minute because the 1 minute move too quick for you to do that. You understand? By the time you move your SL up in profit, it stop you out and then run multi business. I would say do it from the 5 or from the 15. The 15 is more solid. You understand? So what you would do now is wait until you get, I would say, 2 or 3 15-minute candles pushing up. You understand? Before you actually move this line, this stop loss in profit. All right. And then down here you could see where if you're in profit or you're out of profit. And let's say you want to close your trades. All you have to do was just press the X them. You see that, guys? All you have to do is just press the X once they're in profit. So you will know if they're in profit if they don't have a minus in front of them. You understand? That's all you have to do. You understand? So that's it right there. All right. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Let me see. I did record this, so I'll drop it on I will drop it on TradingView if you guys did miss it. So it's almost 8 o'clock, guys. I'm about to come off of here. All right. So yeah. If you have any questions, do feel free to ask in the chat. All right. All right. So if somebody can help out Joan, because I have to jump off of here. Some of the details is inside of the straight profit training section. So I did take a screenshot and put it inside of the training, inside of the straight profit. So if you go there, you will see the settings on how to set up the boxes. All right. So it's 8 o'clock now. Let's see what I go with the market, you know. All right. Let me see. All right. So we have buyers in on US 30. All right, guys. So, all right, guys. So I'll see you everybody later on. If you're just coming on, guys, if you have the strategy, we're in US oil, gold, and US 30 for a buy. All right. And then yes, the team will be able to give you guys a stop loss in the chat. All right. So thanks for jumping on. I will see everybody later on.